the sky. Things are really warming up quickly, Heather.
Yeah, it's dry, it's warm, and we've got the breeze on top of that. All three of those things combining to elevate the fire danger, in particular today, tonight, and tomorrow. But for the valley, we're going to say this all summer long. The fire danger is always going to be there because the grasses are dried out, the brushes are pretty close too, and we're going to start to see the fuels dry out further up in elevation as we go through the coming weeks. But Live Copter 3 is up over the valley for us this afternoon, looking off towards the coastal hills. It's a warm day, but it's a very clear day. Not a bad day to be up in the air. Hopefully we got the air conditioner working. Temperatures are in the mid-90s right now in the valley, 75 degrees in South Lake Tahoe. It is much warmer right now compared to this time yesterday. Temperatures are up 10 to 15 degrees in the valley, the delta, the foothills, and in the mountains as well. The big difference maker is the breeze. More importantly, the direction of the breeze. It's sustained from the north in the valley, anywhere between 15 and 20 miles per hour. There's an onshore breeze that's trying to push into Solano County. It is not going to win that fight today. So because of that, tonight is going to stay very warm. We will still be in the 80s at 11 o'clock this evening in Sacramento. We're likely going to start Thursday in the mid to upper 60s. The further you get from the delta, the warmer it is going to be tomorrow. In fact, with this wind on the west side of the valley, places like Winters and Colusa may just start the day around 70 degrees at sunrise. But this is 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. Notice how what we've been telling you, the winds are going to be focused on the west side of the valley, some gusts over 30 miles per hour, while the winds are much lighter along into the east of I-5. The breeze is going to back off quickly tomorrow. That's good, but the air is going to stay dry. And of course, tomorrow's where we bring in the heat as well. So you still want to be careful with whatever you are doing outside. As we go into Friday, the breeze, at least in the morning, is relatively light, but we actually do start to get a little bit of a delta breeze into the afternoon. And that means in some spots, well, yes, the temperatures are going to peak in the triple digits tomorrow, but that may not hang on for too long in Sacramento and Fairfield. I'll show you the 7-day forecast in just a second. But this area of high pressure, that's going to warm everybody up over the next few days, not just us in Northern California, but across the Pacific Northwest as well. By next week, this high is going to shift a little bit further to the east. It will still be very warm next Tuesday and Wednesday with highs in the mid to upper 90s. But with the high over here, we get a better chance of the delta breeze helping things out in the evenings and in the early mornings. I think at the end of next week, temperatures will be more comfortable for everybody. But tomorrow, temperatures close to 80 degrees in Truckee and Tahoe, near 90 in Pollock Pines and Arnold, mid-90s on the valley floor in Yosemite National Park. And we're going to be in the mid-90s for the first time this year in the foothills as well. 96 in Auburn, 95 degrees for a high in Jackson. The offshore breeze means that Fairfield tomorrow's at 100 degrees, 102 in Concord. And the Bay Area, temperatures will be in the low 80s for San Francisco, but a lot of those East Bay cities will be in the upper 90s to around 100 degrees. Triple digits up and down the San Joaquin Valley tomorrow for the first time yet this year. And it's the same idea for the Sacramento Valley. West side of the valley still breezy, at least in the morning. The wind will be lighter into the afternoon. We've adjusted temperatures a little bit for this weekend. 97 on Saturday, not a big drop, but again, that delta breeze, I think it will have a bigger impact, and it'll at least make some spots cooler, more comfortable late evening, early morning.
Yeah, okay. All right, Heather, thank you.
Security is tight in New York City.